Hello everyone and welcome back to another Filmora tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can cut your clips within your timeline. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Filmora application and create your new project. Once you open up your project, you can drag and drop any file to the import section underneath the media tab, or you can also click on the import button to import your desired files. Once you have imported your media, you can drag and drop them to the timeline in order to make your desired changes. Now you can just drag and drop your videos to your timeline. For this, I'm going to use a stock footage. Once you have your clip on your timeline, you can press the spacebar button to watch the preview of the clip. Now, if at any point you wish to cut the clip, then you can pause at this point and use the shortcut, which is Ctrl+B. This will immediately make a cut at the point where your vertical bar is placed. And as you can see, the video has now been cut into two different sections. Now you can move further along, and wherever you need to make more cuts, you can just follow the same process and cut the clip. You can use the Ctrl+Z option to undo your cuts. Alternatively, you can also simply use the endpoints if you want to reduce the duration of your video. You can reduce by clicking and dragging from the end and also the beginning part of the video. Now, if this is the sole clip within your timeline, then reducing from the beginning will move the remainder section of the video all the way to the beginning automatically. You can also press the C button on your keyboard, which will allow you to access the blade. The blade tool will allow you to make multiple cuts using your mouse pointer. To use it more effectively, you can just play back your footage and mark the points by pressing the M button. This will make a downward pointed arrow-like thing appear on top of your video layer. And if you time this right, you can simply add the markers in one turn and then use the blade tool to make your cuts. Once you have made your cut, press the V button once again, and you can select the clips that you wish to remove and delete them using the delete button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cut your clips on the Filmora editing app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.